Question. When the stone is installed on my property and it begins to change, does that mean the stone is bad? One of the industry associates that I've had for practically my entire career in the natural stone business said something like this. This is a near quote. So if we use this principle, it helps us to understand and appreciate that when stone begins to change after it's been installed, it's not the fault of the stone, and it's not necessarily the fault of the stonemason. Why is it that we can say this? Well, we know that stone will change when it's exposed to oxygen and the elements of the weather that's out there. And Rolling Rock is in a very wet climate, subtropical by some definitions, and so water is going to really change natural stone quickly. But what we also have to keep in mind too is the mason or the installer who is responsible. He has to do his job correctly. He has to make sure that he follows all the rules of stonemasonry. He has to also make sure that he protects the system from water, doesn't use harsh chemicals that react with natural stone. So this is really a team effort. Selecting the correct natural stone for the project and then marrying that with the correct installer who's going to do the right thing to make sure that the natural stone is installed correctly and protected from not only all of the elements that it can be protected from of the weather, but also protected from the use of harsh chemicals that can damage stone and cause the longevity of the stone to be in question. So we hope this helps somewhat today, and we wish you all the best. Have a great day.